see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Nanonood sila ng score ng puti or sometimes golf or something. And of course, my favorite, ayan. You're going, oh yeah. And si Jan, dala namin yung sapatos ni Holly. Sinuot niya yung kay... Good morning. Good morning guys. Today is Sunday, May 7. Ayusin ko lang yung mga pinaghigaan ng mga bata. Ayusin lang natin ito. Alis kami maaga. Sila nandoon. Nagluluto na sila ng breakfast ng mga bata. Mag-alis sila. Pancake. Si Holly, inayos niya dito konti sa bed ni Ayla. Tingnan niyo. Parang ano lang. Siguro inano na ito ni Holly. Nilinya na niya yung toys. So yan. Siguro buksan natin yung patay natin yung ilaw. Diba? Okay na. Ayusin natin yung bed. Dito na ayos ko na yung bed namin. Kukunin ko na lang yung naka-charge na phone. Mamaya-maya. Baba tayo. Kasi yung mga bata nag-breakfast na. Naamit ko na ang eggs. Andun sila. How about you boys? You left at home. Bigay ni Holly. Oh, thank you, Baba. What's today? What's this for?
Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I know what day it is.
What's day?
Sunday.
Oh, very good. Sunday. Sunday. Ito talaga si Sak. Kuya, sit down. They're my mom. I'm growing like a flower with all your love and care, all your hugs and kisses, good times that we share. I'm growing like a flower. We know that this is true, so I made this picture to say, I love you. Oh, that's nice. Is this your hand?
Yeah, that's my head. We had to paint our head and what's it?
Oh, thank you. Holly did. Did you say thank you, Tito Dan? Thank you. Ayan yung breakfast nila, oh. Good.
Alam mo ba yung last na panaginip ko before ako ginising nito? Si Neil na magsashower siya. Ang sabi ko, sabi yung sabi niya?
Radong ka na sa mga.
Ano naman po? Nagpupunas to ng coincidence. Kasi last na panaginip ko before niya ako ginising.
Ito ngayon na?
Ginising lang. Ginising ako sabi niya, everyone's up. You wanna stay out? You wanna stay out? Sabi niyo, ulo mo, ay, muskato mo more.
Kung alam mo sa muskato mo.
Oo, isang ano lang naman yun. Tapos sinasingil lang ako naman.
Walang kapal ang body mo. Sabi nyo, saan mo pala ito nga?
So, okay yung nag-pajamas lang kayo naman?
May pictures lang ko.
Saan lang naman tayo car?
Hindi mo ganun ako. Kasi baka naman mo.
Coat ka lang. Nag-tweed.
Malamig din ako dito sa paaking. Pa-aircon.
Nilituan mo sa mga
Kaya pala hindi mo mabuksan. Yung extender pala ito. Hindi ko extender.
Sabi ko nga kay Huli, magpajamas ka na.
Ganito na lang ako ga. Tapos mag-ano na lang, kaya nakiga ulit. Bas, hindi ako magbisa. Tulog lang talaga kami. Kagahapon may dumating. Tulog lang talaga. Alis din kami. Ganun
Kuha kay
talaga.
Huli, just left here na yung generation.
Uy, alam mo, inayos niya na yung bed. Ano, di ba may mga, the bed you fix it a little bit, you put the toys on the side, tapos yung, di ba, yung kumot, ganun lang. Ayun, ito lang ang kumot. Kunti na lang. Good job, Baba. Siguro pwede. I know. Kasi sa kala, pag hindi siya, sorry, ganun yun. Siguro.
Nanabi ka ba? Okay.
Wala.
Kala kasi yung boses ni, ano ni Iyak ni Aga lang.
Mas malakas ang snore mo. Can I just wear this? I'm just in the car. That's right.
Mag-edit ka lang doon.
Oh, I'm gonna edit in the car.
Yes, nothing not shower.
No, yeah, ikaw. Just gonna have a shower. I just had a shower last night. Yesterday.
Parang ginip ko talaga sige.
Kasi yung, alam mo bakit? Kasi yung pinag-usapan natin yung kumakain na tayo na babae. Tapos, marinig ko rin ano. Tapos nag-ano ka, yun nga, tapos di ba sabi ka, di ba sa bukid?
Inaso niya sa first time, sobrang na smiling mo sabi mo. Sabi niya,
Ayun,
isa oo, yung Spanish sabi mo ba? Tingnan sabi ko, isn't it weird? This works. What's the buzz?
I left. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning, Baba. Say good morning. Say good morning, Baba.
Hey, good morning.
Say good morning. Is that I love
Sa Facebook niya, gulong-gulong.
Nasaan yung mga ipit mo? Good morning. Who's this? Look. Look, Baba. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. Ano oras ba siya gumigising?
Tag-alas 10 man yan.
Anong oras na? Aga po gaya, Baba. Alam niyo siguro.
9 siguro.
Alam niyo siguro may bisita pa alis?
Yeah. Hindi, nagising siya. Tapos wala si Mami. So, kumangan.
Kasi sa tabi niyo siya.
You're okay? You're gonna be tired today.
Hindi dito siya. Where's my breakfast? Hindi dito siya, Baba.
Okay.
Good morning, my love.
Naantok pa oh.
Gugi pa yan.
Antok pa yan.
Si Alan na lang.
Breakfast mo nga?
Nasaan na ka? Ako sa inyo na ako. Ano ba sa inyo?
Okay, pwede na siya.
Ano tayo dito? Ito ba ako? Hindi ba pancake? Ano ba ito? Energy mo ba eh? Yung energy? Hindi mo siya una na, nauna nga ikaw eh. Nauna ikaw, di ba?
Ayun mo yung nice.
Hindi siya ano ba, lapit na siya pati yung bago gising man lang hindi. Okay, ano, nagbabalik ako. Nanda ako sa mga itong ano na nanaginip ka pa? Okay, nandun lang siya sa big. Hindi siya
Bumababa siya sa gilid.
ayun na,
Doon siya sa platform naghihintay.
cute nga, no? Hindi na siya bumaba sa hagdanan. Nagharap siya ng pipick up sa kanya. Ano pipick up sa'yo, Papa?
Minsan, sobrang saya niya, hindi siya magising. Sobrang naglalaro lang. Parang saan siya bumababa doon.
Siyang harap.
Oo, pero masawag sa ano.
Ano mo,
Sobrang dahan-dahan. Inaano ko siya ba, i-observahan ko siya. Kasi hindi siya malulungkot. Saan na siya? Nakaano siya lang. One time sa gitna ako.
parang siya nag-ano, paano doon lang talaga?
Dahan-dahan siya bumababa.
What in the, here's a pink pattern. Oh, di ba, parang kayo ng yun. Sorry, mas sorry.
How many kilos is Ayla? 11 kilos.
Parang ano lang, only. Yung baba, oh.
Yummy! Ready?
Ready?
How much is it? No, not yet. Okay, I'll eat it now.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look pa si Arlo. Ayan si Arlo. Oh, si Baba. Yung mga bata, kinukuha na nila yung kanilang gamit. Okay, put that in your bag now. Oh, inayos niya na naman. Hi! We're leaving, Baba. Leaving. Maganda to kasi kasya yung... Ganyan, may space pa. Pwede pa. Kasi yung sa amin, di ba, yung spare room namin, isang bed lang talaga yun. Di ba?
Maliit kasi yung isang bed.
Pero kahit na.
Maganda para sa kids.
Oo, may space pa kasi pwede mo pa talaga lagyan ng study table. Down. Your socks? Where I put your socks? Come here. Eto, binigay na to ni Holly kay Ayla kasi hindi to kasya sa kanya. So, iyan, binigay niya na yan kay Ayla. And meron pang isa yung Adidas na white. Eto. Kasi na to kay Ayla siguro tong Adidas na yan. Yan. Tapos yung pink. Favorite niya yung boots na pink. Paalis na kami, guys. And my outfit for today is just very simple. Ito yung outfit natin, guys. Tamang Daisy. Tamang Daisy lang tayo.
I did this.
Ano daw? Ay, inon mo ba? Tingin.
Oo nga.
Tingnan ko si Robot yung paano ang galaw ni Robot.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, diba, makikita mo kung saan siya dumaan.
Ayan yung plan ng
Sus,
house.
magpa-update ba? Ayun, to na. Ayun.
Oh yeah, that's what he got.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot as well. Oo nga, nawala din yung mga ano.
Nag-update na. Ayan, dyan siya.
Yung green?
Yung mga lines.
Ah, yan.
Nadaanan niya lahat.
Oo nga,
Ito, laundry.
Ito.
Dyan, alfresco.
Alfresco.
So, dito siya, oo.
So, ito lang yung mga parang ano, iba-ibang iyang may bilog-bilog para yung hindi siya kasya.
Ito, pantry, hindi din siya nakapasok kasi sinarama namin. So, yan yung butler's pantry, yan yung laundry. Hindi niya napasukan yan.
So, pag may
Yan couch na hindi niya na, anuhan sa ilalim. So, ito lahat, Yan yung table na hindi niya maano. So,
Tapos balik
paan na table.
So, balik siya doon sa kanyang ano.
Oo. O, kapag malapit na siya mamatay, babalik lang siya, mag-charge yan sa
Ay, alam niya na mamamatay siya.
Sasabihin niya, kapag nandito ako, sasabihin niya, going home. Say, promise. Sabi niya, going home. Ayan, tapos
Ang cute.
nag-update siya
Update
ngayon.
niya, oo.
Diba sabi ko sa iyo, sasabihin niya saan siya
Oo,
pumunta.
tapos makinaw talaga na hindi siya ditong area, no? Kasi, ano, plain lang. Walang, ano.
Hindi siya lahat.
Grabe, no? Ang pagka, ano, pagod na pagod to si Robot.
Pagod siya lagi. For the shoes, ha?
No worries.
Thank you for the shoes. Thank you.
Feeling ko yung Adidas, feeling ko fit na yun sa kanya doon. Feeling ko. Hindi ko rin alam.
Baka try ko mamaya.
Bye-bye, Bobo! Holly, your cardigan, Baba, oh. Oh, sama na ikaw sa akin. Oh, sama ko.
Thank you for a hug.
Hug. Oh, see you. See you, Baba. See you. Maybe I might see you sa next weekend. Okay? Bye.
Ate, huli ang kiss.
Oh, alis ka.
Sana talaga. Ang sigat-sigat mo. Akin.
Kuya, kunin mo to. Kasi ayaw niya. Ayaw nga. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Gusto niya sumama kay Pipi. Mananakaw na to. Ayaw niyang ano. Get, oh, mabasa kami. Sa akin yan, Han. That's mine. Sasama siya sa amin, guys. Oh. Sak, get your card, Sak. Sama na ikaw sa amin. Grabe, laki pa niyan. As in, si Sak din kabibili lang last. Si Island dito. Nakatid naman. Di naman nila kita yung baba.
Oh, pagkakupo ka sa
Wala, oo. Di na naman siya nakasama, Day. Bye. Bakit kayo ganon? Iniiwan. Bye-bye. Si Arlo talaga, di tayo Arlo.
Wala na kay ikaw isa scrap sila naman.
Hindi na try. Chine-check ko lang, gano'n, wala na. Tingnan mo, dahil na sila ka-strap. Yeah, see ya. Bye-bye. Tumawag si Reyes, naiwan ni Holly si Mushi, oh. Baba.
Oh, we made it.
Thank you. Thank you. Ayun si Mushi, oh. Holly. Naiya again, Baba. Guys, happy Mother's Day pala, guys.
Chapel Way.
So that bike, Jack.
Turn left onto Swan Avenue.
Nakuha na natin si Mushi.
Onto L'Oreal Road.
Ngayon, inaano lang ni dyan sa map yung pupuntahan namin kasi medyo malayo siya, guys. Hindi medyo malayo talaga siya. 58 minutes, so parang 1 hour drive yung
Turn right onto
golf,
L'Oreal
ano ni Kuya, yung saan mag-golf si Kuya. And, yung ganito ang itsura natin for Mother's Day. Paggas muna kami, guys. Medyo malayo-layo na yung nararating namin.
I'm coming in to get a drink.
Yeah.
Saan.
Okay. Okay, gas muna tayo. Malayo-layo pa tayo, guys. Good luck, Kuya. Look at your nose. So look at your nose here. No. Look.
Yeah, you got a red mark there.
I know. Because he's been picking. Dito na sila. Tingnan nyo akin tubig. Yeah, tubig. Tapos, yung sa mga bata, si Holly naka-Powerade din kahit ano.
She was crying.
Why? Oh, what about? What about? She missed Isla already. Umiyak daw si Holly.
Yeah, I'll just go over here and put those drinks in.
Yeah. What you got, Zach? Nag-breakfast na sila kanina. Oh, Coke. I don't want that one. Thank you. What you got? Yeah. Oh.
Proceed to the route.
Thank you, Kuya. What you got? Let me see ya. Bar?
What you hiding from me? What you hope?
Tapos na tayo magpagas, guys. Ayan yung view natin. Oh.
I got lip tint.
Saan kaya tayo nito dadalhin? Parang blurry, no? Ayan, pinunasan ko kayo. Ayan, oh. Medyo okay na.
That's why we had to go to Sandy Craig on New
Dry yung ano nila dito. Dry yung grass. Kaya makikita nyo. Hindi na. Ayan, oh. Dry.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no that I got.
Dito na tayo, guys. After almost an hour. Dito golf competition si Kuya. Oh, not this one. Ah, hindi pala yun, guys. Next one. Pero yun yung golf, nakita na kasi namin. Ayun, doon. Nawawmali si Johnny Boy. Sandy Creek. Ayan, dito tayo, guys. Oh, dyan si Kuya mag-golf. May pa-gate. Wala, open gate lang siya. We're just gonna stay here for a while. We're just gonna go register, right?
No, you can
No.
go up, start at Mountain Marshall already.
How I'm gonna go there like this, honey?
You're not going there.
Guys, hindi tayo makababa, guys. Oh, naka-PJs tayo.
What?
So we're not coming, hon?
Mountain, there it is.
We're not coming?
No.
Oh, ayaw ni Kuya.
Because you're
Paano?
wearing.
How I'm gonna vlog you there?
Can't.
I can't.
I'm allowed to.
Alright, buddy. Come on.
Good luck. Good luck. Not ya.
No. Holly, you stay here. No, Dad said I'm allowed to. No, he meant to me.
No, he meant Kuya TJ.
No, he said, Holly, come on.
He said, come on, boy.
He said, boy. No, I don't
No,
want to
but-
stay.
No, because we cannot. It's a golf competition, Baba. Umiiyak si Holly kasi hindi kami pwede dun, guys. Sa outfit pa lang natin, hindi talaga tayo pwede. Pero hindi naman kasi talaga pwede kasi nga, baka ma-distract natin si Kuya. So, umiiyak si Holly. Gusto niya sumama. Alis na sila. Sana wag umulan. Sana wag umulan.
I'll be back in a minute. I was getting some bowls and we'll start having.
Okay, okay. Mag-warm up muna si Kuya. Kuha lang siya ng balls. Tumigil lang siya umiyak. Are you still crying?
Stop eating a lot, my lollies. You have your own.
Are you done crying? Ah? Ayan pala yung binili niya kaninang lollipop. Oh. Asartalo sisak. Sweet sisak pero asartalo din. So, dito lang tayo sa car. Mag-edit na lang ako. Ito ang view ko, guys. Oh, doon. Daming tao doon. Andun na yung aking mag-ama. Good luck, Kuya. Si Kuya.
I still miss Isla.
I know. We're gonna see them again. Na-miss niya si Ayla. Good luck, ya! Ayan si Johnny. Hinubad ko na yan, guys. O, kasi nasa harap tayo ng araw. Mainit.
Dad, could we watch?
What?
No, Baba. Let Daddy focus there, Baba.
Oh.
You coming?
No, because they're gonna be walking, Holly. And then,
Walking.
no,
You got your shoes on? What shoes you got?
black.
Yeah.
Your Nikes?
Yeah. It's gonna be, you're gonna be walking, Baba, and you're gonna be tired, I'm telling you,
Have you been
Baba.
wearing this, Mom?
Yeah.
There's a tag on it.
Eh, sinusot niya na yung cardigan niya. Butas-butas yan, Baba. Still, you're gonna get cold. Si Kuya nagpa-practice na doon. Si Johnny Boy. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Dito natin makikita si Kuya. Ayun si Kuya. Ayun, nagpa-practice si Kuya. Ayan siya. Kaputi siyang top.
Dad, can't find my
Isasama niya talaga si Holly. Inayos niya pa yung ano niya. Oh, di ba? Ang saya niya. Nag-edit pala ako, guys. Then, nilipat ko yung car dito. Makikita niyo, iba na yung view natin. Kasi mainit doon. Nakaharap tayo sa araw. So, dito ko nilipat yung car. And then, yung kasama ko, pinahiram ko siya ng phone. Sorry, nahilo ko. Pinahiram ko siya ng phone. Tadan! Sinukuan niya yung phone. Nakatulog siya, guys. Binuksan ko yung window ng konti para may hangin. Tulog siya. May nagtitext sa kanya. Hindi siya nagigising. Kanina pa yan. Okay, balik ako sa pag-edit. Yung dalawa, andito. Si Sak, ano siya, gumising siya saglit, umihilang, tapos bumalik sa pagkatulog. Honey, you woke him up.
It's hot in here.
That's why I moved the car.
Yeah, well, open the windows.
I did. How is it there?
He's 4 down.
Huh?
4 down.
What do you mean for down?
Down 4. So he's got to win the next 4 to be even again. Do you want to eat that, Jack?
No.
Do you want to come for a walk with me? What's going on?
Kuha sila ng
Huh?
pagkain. Ako okay lang ako. See you, Baba. Are you enjoying? Where's your cardigan, ha? Ayan na naman yung dalawa. Wala naman silang dalang pagkain. Where's the food? Where's your food? Where's the food? That's not food. Where's your food?
I ate it.
Already? So that's your dessert?
Yeah.
Kinain na pala. What did you have? What did you have?
Picnic. I mean, sausage roll.
How about Daddy?
Half of sausage roll. Then there was still more, but Dad put it in the bin.
All right.
Oh, he's still 4 down, but
He's doing good.
well, he's got 9 to go. If he doesn't start winning, he'll run out of holes.
Mm-hmm.
So he'll only probably get another 2 or 3 holes if he doesn't win. Then he'll be finished.
Oh, that's good.
I'm already done.
But this is doing well.
Like
No?
December.
Yeah. I'm going to get some balls.
You're gonna
Oh,
hit.
mate.
Yeah.
What, do you want to come watch Dad, mate?
Watch Daddy.
Come outside. I'm going to go to the range just there.
Yeah. See? She loves you. Gusto niyang isama, gusto ni Holly sumama kay Kuya Sak kasi si Jan umalis na. Sabi ni Sak, huwag ka nang sumama kasi annoying ka sometimes, sabi ni Holly. Sabi ni Holly sa kanya, ikaw din naman. Kaya inahag niya. Go na. Go hold, don't be annoying to Kuya. Don't be annoying to Kuya Sak, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And don't make a noise there, huh? Because you're not allowed. Okay, go, Kuya Sak.
There's an O'Brien truck.
I know, I saw it, the yellow one.
No, it's O'Brien van.
Van, yes.
A
Van.
truck.
That's right. It's a van.
A truck is like a long one.
A long one. That's
And
right.
a van's a bit short.
That's right.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna
See you.
hold big food.
Okay, hold Holly's hand, please. Watch for the car.
Yeah, Mama.
Okay, see you.
O'Brien.
Ayun yung O'Brien na van yun, guys. Tama nga si Holly. Ayan, nag-edit pa ako, guys. Ayan. Binibiro naman siya ni Zach. Hold my hand. Nagsusumbong si Holly sa akin. Ayun si Jan, oh. Ayan, nakaputi. So, nag-hit na lang si Jan. Si Kuya, hinayaan niya na siya lang mag-isa. So, wala si Kuyang, ano ba yung tawag doon? Caddy. Wala siyang caddy. Si Kuya lang talaga. Para maging independent si Kuya. Yung dalawa, oh. Okay, back to work tayo. Tapos na si Jan mag-hit ng balls and tinanong ko siya kung ilan ang player. Sabi niya, marami daw. And tinanong ko kung ilang taon. Sabi niya, ang mga kaano ni Kuya, kalaro ni Kuya ay mga 16 years old. Si Kuya yung pinakabata.
Kuya is gonna get smacked.
How old Kuya?
10.
10. Oh. 16 years old. Matatangkad na. Malalaki ng tao. So, hintayin na lang natin si Kuya. Mag-isa lang talaga si Kuya nandoon. Si Jan nandito na eh. So, hinayaan lang namin si Kuya. Balitaan ko na lang kayo. I'm still editing. Si Holly, nagko-coloring na siya. Oh, I thought you're coloring, Baba.
I am putting the zipper on for nothing.
Dagdal niya. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Oh, was quick! Ayun, luminis na daddy niya ng pera. Ayan, ano siya? Bumili ng, what's this? Picnic? Ano?
Oh my goodness.
Wow, thank you.
Holly on the back.
I'm good now, thank you.
Holly.
Holly, you want some?
But my head.
Here you are. Sarap? Time check pala guys is, ano na?
Sleep because you've been
2:01.
walking and you're
Sinintay lang talaga
tired
namin
and
si
you're not
Kuya.
hungry.
Hindi natin alam kung anong nangyayari doon kay
I know
Kuya.
did Jack.
And hopefully, he's doing well. Dami raw na, ano, naglalaro doon sa ano ni Kuya, sa ano niya ba, sa group. May babae, tapos yun nga, parang si Kuya raw yung pinakabata na naman. Kasi si Kuya na talaga. Ayun, ganoon din. Oh. Nililibang nila ang sarili nila. Buti na lang, ha? Lucky it's not raining. Akala namin ang pangit ng weather. Yeah, beautiful day talaga. You're happy doon. Oh. Sige na, mag-edit ulit ako. Dito na si Kuya. Wala si Jan. Hinahanap niya si Daddy. How did you go?
Good.
Good?
I lost by 5.
5 points. It's alright because you've been there like, look, what time is it now? 2:37.
I was 5 on the other team.
The other team, and how old were they?
The one I was versing was 16.
He's 16. Wow. Well, you done well.
I'm gonna go find Dad now.
Wait, just wait Wait for Dad here. Because they were in the toilet, I think.
I'm gonna have a look.
So, you're out?
What do you mean I'm out?
You're out from the group or?
No, I'm out. No, I can still play.
Okay. But, you just lost by 5 points. And that 16 years old, what he's doing now?
He's
He's-
in the clubhouse.
Clubhouse. How many holes? 18 holes?
I only played 15.
15, and then after 15, you're out.
Yeah, because
You lost 5 points. Hindi niya natapos guys kasi natalo na siyang 5 points. So, hindi na siya nakapag-continue sa 18 holes. Pero 15 holes, that was good, yeah. 15 holes.
last year I made it to the last hole.
Last year.
Yeah, I went to the last.
So, what you have to do, you have to practice, right?
Yeah, but Dad couldn't take me to the bay.
Yeah, because Daddy is too busy.
No, because he
Oh,
had to move the boat.
yeah,
Tuesday.
that's right.
Tuesday,
Oh, wala siyang practice, guys. Din.
he
Isa
was
din-
doing something.
Yeah, busy din si Daddy.
Wednesday, he had to take holiday dance. Thursday, I had footy. And then Friday, at Kobe's house. So,
Yeah, yeah, I know. But you can practice at home. Chipping, okay?
yeah, but I have no,
No what?
I have no flag anymore.
What?
Dad took the flag out.
The flag. It's alright. We can make another flag. But you done very well. Very good. Done very well. Because Daddy was been looking. So Tyron's not here yet. He must be doing great. And you were. Because you made it to 15.
I won 2, that's it. I
Yeah.
won 2 and then we were tying pretty
Tie-
much the whole thing.
You're tying. Like tie.
Yeah.
But you done well. Telling you that. Done well. Because Daddy said, I can't see him. He's not here yet. He must be doing well. Kasi pag kung si Kuya nakaalis na ng halimbawa maaga or alauna, ibig sabihin hindi si Kuya nakapaglaro ng maayos. Pero naka 15 holes, very good. Hintay lang namin si Jan.
Hi, Dad. Dad, I lost by 5. But you should have seen me hitting.
Pagod si Jan.
Dad.
Nagtakbo sila, pagod siya. What happened to Dad?
Oh, we tied.
Ganito niya na.
We race. Keep $1. Let me see if I can find $1.
So, hindi na kasi inaano ni Jan, hindi na sumasama si Jan para si Kuya ba maging independent na rin, yung hindi na siya, hindi na, ibig sabihin,
You just go around by yourself.
okay, tinanong niya, what do you reckon? Just go by yourself or I go with you? Sabi ni Kuya, by myself. Kasi si Jan minsan din, pag halimbawa hindi makahit si Kuya, parang nadi-disappoint siya, tapos hindi niya naman pinapagalitan kasi nakikita ni Kuya yung mukha niya. So, para syempre, nakaka-tense. Kaya, mas gusto yung siguro ni Kuya, wala si daddy niya. Wala
So we
kami.
didn't pretty well win any until the last two. Oh, well, did you get that pass right on the downhill? Did you get to that one?
Oh, that nearly went over the back.
What'd you hit? No,
I
that's,
hit it. I parred it though.
yeah, but that's only like 7.
I hit it.
And then, difficult ang dito, yung golf course, guys, kasi hilly, tapos may mga water. Si Kuya, meron daw na may isang ball siya na, na hit sa water. What do you reckon, babe?
Well, you got to start off strong because that's what happens. Then you're behind. You got to catch up for the rest of the day. You let him get too far in front. That one out of bounds. That one in the water. There's 2.
Oh, kung hindi nakapunta si Kuya sa tubig, baka continue si Kuya.
Look, here, Dad, come here.
Pero proud na proud si Kuya sa ginawa niya. Oh. And happy din si Jan. Kasi matagal, naka 15 holes si Kuya. Ang cute. Ang cute.
I felt
What do you think?
He was too old.
He's 16. He's hitting them.
He wasn't.
Like he said, it takes him 2 shots to get the green. It takes you 3 or 4 to get to the green. Big difference. There's 2 shots.
Yeah, kay ano, yung 16 years old, 2 shot lang siya si Kuya. Oh, kasi maano na yun, tawag noon, malakas ng tira ba. So kung 2 shot siya doon sa ano, nahihit niyang 2 shot. Si Kuya 4 or 3. So big difference nga. Pero,
You won that one. I passed around the 15.
There was another kid playing. He lost.
hello, how
He
old?
came second. I think he's like 11, 10 playing that. TJ, will you play with 2 people?
No, just one, the 16 years old.
Oh.
Why'd you drive in a par 3?
By night,
Bakit ni Kuya? Oh?
You gotta be smart. Next week, I think
You like, Kuya?
we won there.
You like playing by yourself or with daddy? By yourself. Yeah. Kasi nakakatens kasi si John minsan. Kasi para siyang ano ba, yung pag hindi naman nagkakamali. Pag alam ni kasi ni John na parang kaya ni Kuya tapos na bad shot si Kuya, si John parang yumuyo ko, nakikita ni Kuya. So syempre, nadidistract si Kuya kahit hindi niya sabihan. Kaya parang mas prepare na ni Kuya na siya na lang mag-isa. And gusto rin ni John para maging independent din si Kuya. Yun nga lang, hindi natin makikita ang mga hit ni Kuya. Kasi si Kuya malaki na din naman. Kaya niya naman siguro. Okay guys, we're going home. And I'm still editing in my card. Kunti na lang din. What did you say, big brother? Ayan, kumuha si Kuya ng food dito sa Tintinara. Is it Tintinara?
Yep.
Yes, finally.
Having since
Ayan, then stop tayo sa Kit para kumuha ng chicken mo.
Any
Ubus na
change?
yung ating ano guys.
Oh yeah.
I'll get it later.
Yung aking card. Yung memory ba? What's wrong with that little girl? Miss Isla.
Look at her face.
What's wrong? Let's go. Let's get. Wala na. Pagkarga na ulit siya.
What do you want me to do?
Where are we gonna eat?
On the road.
On the. Okay guys, we're gonna close the vlog na because ubos na 1 minute na. Okay, close the vlog. Ito yung chicken. Fries. Yeah, that's daddy. Okay, close the vlog.
Oh, go on the side.
See you next one. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Good night. Good night, Zach.
No.
How's that?
No.
How they make them now?
Yeah. Honey, can you hold this? Okay, good night. Say good night. Bye. Good night. Bye, guys. Paubos na rin. Paubos na rin.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.